Digits on the beat.
Yeah, so you meet me back in the garage today, just with a short update and a short little episode of what's going on and what's going to be happening. So yeah, we've got the Titan Red on, all insides finished painted, engine bay's done, engine starts as well, which is pretty happy with that. And that's videos coming soon. Replaced all the distributor, coil, alternator, starter motor, and a whole lot, and sorted that out. So it's just a short update of what's been going on. And yeah, so not a lot to talk about really. It's more to bring a bit more news to you all. I started the company and people have been asking me who's JTech on the front of my rocker cover, and two people have been coming around my house, came around my house or past me and said, who's that company and that? So I've started that company up myself, and that's doing stickers for all cars, anything you need, graphics, decals or whatever you want for your car, little details, window stickers, stuff like that. So I'm doing that through that. I'm selling Josh Smith stickers for the YouTube channel, I'm selling JTech Racing stickers for people to represent my company and that. I've already sold one of those, so I'm pretty happy with that. Oh shit. Right, so yes, that's what I wanted to bring to you all, that I've got a new company in that, and I'm doing photography as well through them, or through myself. I've got a new camera in that for the YouTube, so I'm going to do some coverage from shows, any shows that are local, or pictures or whatever. So yeah, that's what. So if any of you want to see these stickers or are interested in buying a sticker, then please get in touch and start to represent us on your car, either just Josh Smith for the YouTube channel or JTech Racing for my company personally, and get the name out there, because as soon as this car's done, it's getting stickers all over it, hopefully. We're really happy how the paint came out, to be fair, because considering I've never sprayed in my life, I don't think, no runs or anything, so I've been quite lucky, done 4 coats on it, used 4 litres on the whole car. That's without bonnet and the doors and the boot lid. So yeah. Oh dear. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please get in touch as well if you want some of these stickers and that. We can sort that, arrange that. So yeah, I will get on with spraying this roof hopefully later on today, when this vlog is being recorded. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Turn on that bell. Every video now we're going to do like an aim for the views we want, and so really I just want people to be sharing it and telling people about me and what I'm doing, and let's see if we can hit these goals and that. I'll keep them realistic so we can try and aim for them. But yeah, last time I did that, I think I got 1,000 views within a month on one of the videos. I only put like 300 views on it or something. It went crazy. So it'd be good if we could get something like that going again. Yeah, right, better go and do some painting. So thank you for watching this episode. Make sure you tune in next time for the new one. If you want some stickers on that, please get in touch. The money is like, it won't go in for anything stupid, it's going towards this car and to finish off. If any of you know of any 12-inch wheels, that'd be appreciated, need some. But thank you very much, and I'll see you shortly. So I'll see you tomorrow technically. So cheers.